Welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add or insert a new column to your spreadsheet in Microsoft Excel. This method should work on all versions of Excel on most devices, including Windows, macOS, and mobile. There are two methods, one of which is the keyboard shortcut, which we'll cover as well. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. Load up Excel and find where you want to insert the new column. Right-click at the top of the column, remembering that Excel will insert the new column where you have selected, and shift the ones already there to the right. After right-clicking, choose Insert, and it should add the column as simple as that. You can insert multiple columns by holding down the Shift key and selecting more than one. Again, it will shift the column selected to the right. The keyboard shortcut to add a new column is the Control key or Command on a Mac, the Shift key and the plus key. Select the column where you want to insert the new one before doing this. And so that is how to add or insert a new column to your spreadsheet in Microsoft Excel. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways you can speed up your Windows PC. Those methods should work on nearly all versions of Windows. Help support the channel by visiting the store. The link is in the description and at the end of the video. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below. And if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.